Recommendations regarding the strategies to the principal would be um, to try and incorporate more reading and writing activities around the school. You know, help have little contests, little writing contests weekly. Help students to write. Give them a nice little prize or something. You'll be around students and you'll know what their interests are. So implement uh, writing essays, or implement, even if it's uh, the best reader, or have little reading competitions or whatever it is, to engage students and help them to build their vocabulary, help them to practice literacy more. You're gonna need it in life. Content area teachers, like I said, the all areas could use it. Maths probably might be the most difficult teaching area, where you don't see content as much, but it still applies because there's still rules that you have to learn. The Ministry of Education, well, they could play a bigger role than anybody. Like I said, even to them, they should have more reading competition. They should, along with the spelling bee, they should have more writing essay competitions to encourage students to read, to write, to write books, to build their vocabulary, to help their comprehension skills, their creative thinking skills, their critical thinking skills. For the School of Education, business, School of Education, this class, at first I didn't understand what it was about, but after in collations with my assessment class, and then actually teaching, and then even myself as a student when I was younger, I didn't have a big issue with reading and writing. However, it was not my strong point at all. It was my weakest area. I was a Even though I was great in every other literature, language was my weakest area when it comes to school. I hated reading. Hated reading. I don't know why now, because now I love to read, and that's crazy. I love to read, mostly novels, educational documentaries, uh, anything that piques my interest. I will sit and read it. Younger, so I would encourage our students to read more. I would encourage them to read. Not, it doesn't have to be content heavy areas. So let's start off with encouraging them to read interest, comic books, novels, sports, the newspaper, whatever piqued their interest. Encourage them to read that. And this class has helped me to understand that you need that fundamental basics of literacy to excel in any walk of life.